Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm going to show you how to change the Do Not Disturb icon on your iPhone. Now if you swipe down from the top right hand corner, you'll see the focus mode here, and it's currently a half moon. So I'll show you how to change that icon. So to do that, let's head over to our iPhone settings here on the home screen. Now here on the main iPhone settings, what we want to click on is this focus section here. Now you can see the Do Not Disturb here at the top, and there's no way of deleting this. And you can see this personal, sleep and work underneath. Despite not being able to delete these, what we can do is we can add our own. So we can press the little plus button in the top right hand corner here. And with this pop-up menu that comes up, we'll select custom here at the very top. Now we can choose any emoji from this list here. So let's choose this paint palette here. And at the top here, we can change it to any colour we wish. And then in the box just below the emoji, you can name the focus mode. So let's name it painting, for instance. Then at the very bottom, you want to press next. And then on this page, you want to press custom focus. Then you want to go through the people and apps and say who can and who can't disturb you while this focus mode is currently on. Once you have everything set up how you wish, you can press back to the focus mode here on the top left hand corner, and then done in the top right hand corner here. And as you can see now, painting is in our list of focus modes. So let's swipe down from the top right hand corner. Let's press and hold on the focus mode here. This will bring up all the other focus modes that are currently on your iPhone. And here we can choose painting, the one that we've just created with the emoji that we wish in red. If you ever want to delete this focus mode, you can come back over to focus, tab into the focus mode you just created, in our case painting, then go all the way to the bottom and choose delete focus. So that's how to change the Do Not Disturb icon on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.